Beware of wind and solar energy companies. They are in a giant battle with the oil and gas industry of America. If you want to save America's oil and gas industry, we need to do something about it. The problem is that today, the power generated from wind and solar energy is about as competitive as producing energy from natural gas. And remember, America's energy doesn't actually come from coal. It comes from natural gas because America is one of the largest producers of LNGs. And this LNG is what is powering most of the power plants in America. And they are kind of neck and neck in terms of cost. Like a wind energy or a solar energy company can provide power at about 30 cents, versus a natural gas plant can be around the same thing. So look at the screen here and you can see this thing. And you can see this is from Lazard's levelized cost of energy. And they measure what is the average cost of energy with today's technology. And you can see that wind and solar are really close and neck. And so even oil companies are now investing in wind and solar. So if you want to protect America's oil and gas companies, you need to make sure that wind energy is not as cost competitive. People understand the only way to stop this is to spread information that wind energy is bad. So you can talk about it's going to kill birds and so on and so forth. It's not necessarily true, but it's good to say that because that prevents oil and gas companies from going under. Because if these wind energy companies or solar energy companies were actually able to get the land to build these projects, America's oil and gas industry will be dead because they just can't compete on cost with this technology.